Welcome to my YouTube channel Accidental Academician. Today we will discuss about some policy, fact and figures. And policy about the H-1B visa issued by United States of America. And there is a news on Financial Express today. I was reading this newspaper. US government are enacting a law. If that law will come into force, then the students who are studying in America, Indian students and other students also, foreign students as per America, they will have to pay $1 lakh for H-1B visa if they want to take a work permit after completion of their graduation or post graduation. And in this video we will discuss each and every pros and cons of this policy, fact and figures, and how this policy will impact Indian students as well as labor market and diversity also, because America as a country are known for their diversity. If this law will come into effect or implementation, this will huge impact on legal immigration, university revenue, and impact on talented skill transfer to other country from America to other country, because the skill will transfer from America to other country, other European country like UK, Canada, Spain, Brazil and other country, because we cannot adopt such a law. That law will harm negatively diversity and talent pool for a country, because this will negatively impact on development of the country. We know that America is a country where many talented students go from many countries like India, UK, Europe, Brazil, France, Russia, Germany. And enactment of this law, the student will not be able to pay a heavily penalty or fee on H-1B visa. So today session, that matter will be discussed for each and every aspect, because no any country can increase or build without cooperation and coordination of other countries' talent. And as per my personal opinion and my personal views, talent cannot be stopped by enacting or implementing this law, and should not be also stopped, as per my honest opinion. This will create a brain drain problem, because many Indian students go to America for their study, undergraduate program, postgraduate program and research also. And after completion of their undergraduation, postgraduation, PhD program, they try to find and do a job on the basis of work permit visa. If this will be costlier In that situation, student will not be able to cope up this economic or financial burden. So there can be many serious problem. First, diversity will reduced in the universities, revenues also reduced, and talented skills can shift from America to other countries. So, but one important aspect for the American point of view, they will be beneficial. There are some points I would like to discuss why they will be in better trade-off or better beneficial, because every policy and rules and regulations, there are pros and cons, and there are some trade-off, and we should know what is the trade-off. And American point of view, they want to protect their jobs, because enacting this policy, they will protect their jobs. And we know the one important things, and some years before that what was also in the discussion, son of the soil. Son of the soil basically refers to that policy means first any states or country provides the job for their local person or local people. So they want to provide jobs for local persons and local peoples. So that will be also a trade-off for American point of view. But we cannot think only if there is a trade-off American point of view, and on the basis of this balance or this point of views, because every coin has two aspects. Every coin has two aspects. So we think broader sense. What will be situation if Indian persons, technocrats, engineers, doctors, and other countries also, like America, UK, Europe, Germany, France, and China, they shift America to other country. That will negatively impact American ecosystem, economy, talent pool, skills, and all things. So my best point of view, if this rule will pass and come into force, Indian students will also get damagely impacted and negatively impacted, as well as American economy will also impacted. So today this discussion was based on a short phenomenon or short shocking news that I was reading in Financial Express. So I think this news should be presented on the public domain, if because as students we always think to go abroad for our study and work and all things. So, and thank to all my audience on my this channel, Accidental Academician. So now I am on this channel after a long period of time, so I am very sorry, and I am very sorry to say I will discuss regularly policy, fact, figures, and data, because being a academician and research scholars, we should produce whatever we want to produce, that should be supported by some fact, figure, data, and research. We cannot produce, or we cannot put anything into public domain or public audience which that have no any data, fact, figure, and relevant. So we try to discuss some policies like economic policy, financial policy, any technical policy like cyber security, sustainability. We will discuss regularly on this channel. So stay tuned and thank you for patience listening. Thanks a lot.